Guys, so let's discuss the problem of today of Leetcode, which is 2043 simple bank system. So it is a designing problem, like we have to design the classes and all this. So let's read the problem first. You have been tasked with writing a program for a popular bank that will automate all its incoming transactions, transfer, deposit and withdraw. The bank has n accounts numbered from 1 to n. The initial bank of each account is stored in a zero-indexed integer array balance, with the I plus 1th account having an initial balance of I. So the I plus 1th account will have balance I initially. Execute all the valid transactions. A transaction is valid if the given account number are between 1 and n, and the amount of money withdrawn or transferred from is less than or equal to the balance of account. So we have given the functions, that is transactions, different functions. We have to validate these transactions whether these are valid or not. So what we are given an account numbers between 1 to n, and the transaction is called valid if the account number is between 1 to n and the amount of money withdrawn or transferred is less than or equal to the amount that is present in the that account. So it is obvious if the amount is greater than we have present and we are transferring that amount, that will be not possible because the amount is already less in our bank account. So we cannot transfer the more amount that is not present in our bank. So it is called a valid transaction. So we have to implement the bank class. So bank class will initialize the object with zero index integer array balance, and the Boolean transfer function it will have the three parameters, that is account 1, account 2 and money. We have to transfer the money from account 1 to account 2, and we have to tell whether we can transfer this money or not, means whether this transaction is valid or not. So we have to return true and false according to it. And the deposit function is will have the parameters account and money. We have to deposit this given money in the given account. So it will always it will also have these three functions will have a similar edge case, one common edge case. And the Boolean withdrawn, in this function we have to withdraw the money from the given account and the given amount of money from the account. So we have to return the true if this transaction is valid or not. So the first approach is basically it's a easy level question. I don't know why it is a medium. We have to simply do the transactions from a bank account. So what we can do is simply we can create a map so that we can do all our transaction over one time. Like we have to transfer the money from one account to another account. So my bank class will initialize this map, and so I have declared the map and n, which is the size of this array balance, means the number of accounts we have. So I have initialized the map with this balance that we already have. And what I am doing is let's move to this transfer function first. So the edge case is if our account, a given account, that a given account is greater than the n, then obviously we have to return the false. And also if the money is greater than we have in our account, then also we have to return false, because we cannot transfer the money which from account 1 to account 2 if the money is not present in our account, that amount is not present in our account. So these two in these two conditions we have to return false. And Other than this, we are simply doing this subtracting the money from the current account and transferring it to the another account. So these two lines are showing that, and at last we are returning true. Same we are doing with the deposit function. If our account is greater than n, then we have to return false. This is only the condition where our function will return false. Other than this, this transaction will always be valid. And we are adding the money, means depositing the money in our account, and we are returning true. Same we are doing this withdraw function. We have this condition in which our function will return false, means the transaction will not be valid. So if our account is greater than the account number is greater than the n, or our money is greater than the money present in our account, means we want to withdraw the more amount that is not present in our account. So in that case we will return false. Other than that, we are simply subtracting the money after withdrawing from our account and returning the true. So the time complexity for this approach will be order of n, means the n times this functions will be called, because all these things we are doing in O of one time. In all the functions we are doing O of one time, and here we are initializing map with the balance, so we are using O of n space here. So the overall time complexity will be O of n, and the space complexity will also be O of n, because we are using this map. Yeah, that's all for this problem. Thank you.